This is a 1930 Underwood portable 4-bank typewriter. It has been fully refurbished and it is ready to type. It has a silk ribbon in it, which makes really nice and dark print. The bell on these 30s model is not real loud, but it does ring. This beautiful little machine has been fully refurbished. Has a new silk ribbon on metal spools. The platen has been reconditioned and is in good shape. The paper feed rollers have been rebuilt. And it has new rubber feet on it, on both the typewriter and the case. It has the glass keys. They look really nice. The finish looks really good overall. The decal is a little bit faded in spots. It doesn't look too bad. And the decal up here, some of the gold is wore off. There aren't very many nicks on this one. It looks pretty good. This one does not have the ribbon covers. I think a lot of people took those off anyhow, just so they wouldn't have to fool with them. Makes it easier to change the ribbons. And you can always see where the ribbon's at and how much you have left on each side. The decal on the back is also a little bit faded. The gold's kind of wore off of it. And we do have scratches on the back a little bit. This one has a really nice and light and snappy, easy typing action. Types really well. It does have the new rubber feet. We also have a reprinted user's manual, which is just this one page, which briefly covers all of the functions of the typewriter. Plus this back page just shows you how to change the ribbon. It's pretty helpful. This is the original case, which is in fair condition. The handle is gone. The old leather handle is cracked and didn't last all that long. This case is solid and it latches well and it's been cleaned. It does have some paint spots on it. This is a two-piece case. The way it's designed, you can leave the typewriter bolted to this. But I'm not going to do that because I think most people prefer to use the typewriter just by itself. And if I bolt it down, then you'd have to get a screwdriver out, and most people don't want to fool with that. But you can if you want to mount it to the baseboard. The label in there is mostly gone. And there's some damage to the case over the years. Doesn't look too bad. It's the 1930 Underwood portable.